Hello student, I am Veena Dikshit. Please subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel and share with your friends. All the best. And here we are discussing amino acids and peptide, tetrapeptides like this. How many tetrapeptides are formed by 4 amino acids? 4 amino acids are given and they are asking, we have to find out how many total tetrapeptides are formed. Alanine, valine, phenylalanine and glycine is given. Alawal, phi, guy. Okay, and options are given you different A, B, C, D, and I will tell you how to get it. Okay, instead of these are all 4, I have given name A, B, C, D to all of them. Suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, so I made these. See here, 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3, and this is fourth boxes, and each we will having 3 compartment. And here pair of this. Suppose here I have taken A. In all here N terminal is A amino acid, and D amino acid is ended with C terminal. Which is written in last, that is C terminal. This is C terminal. C terminal means carboxylate group is there. Here ammonium group will be there here. Okay, so here A all here amino acid, here D, C, B, and this 4 sets of this amino acid of tetrapeptide. See, first I have selected A and D, 2, then A and C, and then middle one D left, then BD and DB. Okay, and lastly A, what is left, B. So I have written BB. So here C and D is in the middle. So first CD and then DC. D and C. Clear to you? See, I change the position here, A and C, then what is left, B and D. So first B and D and then D and B. Here lastly C terminal I chose DD, so that time BC and CB. Okay, they interchange the position. So this is first set. Second set I selected B. So B and A have written. So BB, A, C and D. A, C, C, D, D. Okay, I can write on in any way. This can be up or this can be down, anywhere. But to make this very easy, I have done this. Okay, BC, and rest over is over here, exchange the position. BD, like this here, CC and terminal, and different terminal A, BB, DD, and the rest over select. In this way, we will see that there are 24 amino acids. Tetrapeptides. 24 tetrapeptides are formed. Okay, by given 4 amino acids, and there are 3